welcome to Crystal's Kitchen. I'm Crystal and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you my amazing vanilla mousse pudding cake filling. It is absolutely delicious in any cake. So if you're visiting for the first time, why don't you hit the subscribe button to support my channel as it is growing. Now all the ingredients are listed down below in the description. Let's get started. Vanilla is so wonderful. The scent of vanilla, I love it. And so it is an amazing cake filling that is in the majority of cakes when you want to choose your choice of filling. It's a classic, and so I'm going to share with you how we're going to do that. It's super easy, and so we're going to get mixing. So we are at our stand mixer, and first we're going to add in our 1 package of cream cheese. And then we're going to mix. Next, we're going to add in our 1/2 cup of icing sugar, and then we're going to mix. Next, we're going to add in our 2 cups of heavy whipping cream into our mixture, and we're going to mix. And our last ingredient is 1 package of instant vanilla pudding. And this is what's going to make it nice and thick. Let's mix. Look at this texture. It looks so amazing, nice and thick. This is ready for your cake and it smells amazing, the vanilla in it. Beautiful. And we're all done. We've made our vanilla mousse cake filling and it looks amazing. Smells wonderful. I love it. Look at it on the spatula. It is nice and thick. I'm going to try it out. This is so good. I want to eat the whole bowl, but I'm not going to because it goes amazing in my strawberry shortcake. Check out that episode. That cake is so amazing that I'm making it again. Comment down below. Let me know what cake you're going to put this filling into and let me know how it goes. Why don't you hit the subscribe button to support my channel as it is growing. Lots of great recipes on my channel. Check it out. They're super easy. I know you're going to love them, so check them out. And thanks for being in my kitchen again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.